Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO Legion Pad Generation 3, and in this video I will show you what to do if you forget the password to your laptop. So in such case, the best decision would be to take your time and remember the password that worked the last time when you tried to log in, but if you can't do that, then reach out to LENOVO Customer Support service and tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your device to them, then they will surely help you out without removing any of your personal data or files from your tablet. And if this option is unavailable for you too, then you can also perform factory reset operation, which will erase all data from your device completely, but will let you regain access to your tablet once again. And you can do this both remotely and locally, physically. To do this remotely, you have to have the Google account connected to your device and have the Find My Device feature enabled, which is normally enabled by default. In such case, you can just open the Find Hub page by Google and try to log in with your Google account. Select your tablet on the list and select factory reset option in order to erase all data from your device completely in one click. And if you can't do this remotely, you can also perform factory reset operation physically through recovery mode. If you don't know how to use recovery mode, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to perform a factory reset operation on this tablet using recovery mode, so go ahead and check it out. And that will be all for this video. So if you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.